President Trump has proposed creating a new revenue service. He calls it the External Revenue Service that would collect tariffs and all that sort of thing. But I think we should think bigger than that. We should create a new revenue service that is completely separate from the existing IRS. And that is where you put the innovative people who want to actually build the systems and the processes to handle revenue for this country in a way that is fair, efficient, effective, not painful, easy for tax pros to work with. You could do this with a few thousand people, maybe even a few hundred people to start, if you have the right tech. And you can start again. And there's ways to transition people over. You could take the easiest tax returns and have the new revenue service start doing those, or actually maybe even take some of the most complicated, least frequent returns, the rarest kind, and just shuffle them all over to the new revenue service to deal with. And they can figure out how to optimize that.
And this could have been delivered in the letter. You can take this buyout, or if you'd like, you could go to the new startup, IRS
The new revenue
2.0,
service.
right? The new
Yeah.
the IRS 2.0 that we're going to build from scratch. You can join that team. And you're naturally going to get a personality that is not, that maybe likes the risk of that, or it sounds good, and not take the buyout.
Bring in people from tech to work in the new revenue service to build the systems. Bring in people from Intuit, bring in people from Oracle NetSuite, right? Bring in people from all these different apps in this ecosystem that know how money moves. Bring in fintech people, and bring in, of course, tax experts and existing IRS people, and combine them all together, the best of the best. And you could build a new IRS that needs 20%, 10% of the people that an IRS needs now, because you're using technology to process all this information. I mean, people are literally still sitting in the IRS keying in information from paper tax returns. This does not need to happen. And it's insane that it's still happening. And if you start from scratch, you could just eliminate that from the get-go.